I don't care who you are, you need to start an automated online business. Here's the thing, it only takes 10 to 20 minutes to fully set one up as a complete beginner. And the earning potential, it is unlimited. So, no excuses. The best way to build an automated business is simple. You create something once and then it makes you money for the next 5 to 10 years, all on autopilot. If I can do it, I believe that you can too. I started with no experience, no special skills, and now my store runs 24/7 while I sleep. I still remember the day I decided I want something to change. I was tired of feeling like I had nothing going on for me. And honestly, if I can do it and thousands of other people are doing it, even if you're a busy mom like I am, you can start today and build a business that works for you while you sleep, while you're out with family, or even while you travel. And that is why I love print on demand. It's one of the best automated business model out there. No inventory, no shipping, no constant fulfillment on your part, just a business that works for you. Now, here's the exciting part. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up step by step, including how I find products that sell fast, the exact store setup that I recommend for beginners, and how to start marketing without spending thousands on ads. So stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be ready to launch your own store today. So, what is print on demand? Print on demand is a form of drop shipping that is entirely digital. It lets you sell customized products like apparel, accessories, featuring your own design without the need to physically handle inventory. All your work happens online, while the actual product exists at the supplier's end and gets shipped directly to your customer. How does print on demand work? Here's the process. First, you set up an online store and create unique design for your items. Then you connect that store to a print on demand supplier. These suppliers stock blank products in their warehouse, like plain t-shirts, mugs, towels, things like that. When a customer places an order for a t-shirt with your design, this supplier will automatically get notified and they will print your custom artwork on that blank shirt and ship it directly to your buyer, complete with your store branding and packaging. You sell this product one at a time, meaning no upfront costs. Payment is only required for production, printing, and shipping once an order has been placed. This makes print on demand a low risk business model, allowing you to fully personalize goods without the hustle of storing and managing stock. So, for this, we are going to need a print on demand supplier. That's how you're going to get the blank products and import them to your Shopify store. Printify is one of the most well known print on demand suppliers out there, and the platform is super easy to use. And they also have different products that you can add to your store. So whenever you're ready, I'm going to leave Printify link down below this video. Printify have a lot of different things that you can sell. It's not just clothing. They have ton of different accessory. They have home decor item, and they also have food, health, and beauty products. They literally have coffee. You can sell coffee if you want to on Printify. As you can see, you can just create design for this coffee and you can start your own coffee brand. They also have supplements. As you can see here, there is lots of different supplements. They have whey protein. They also have fitness supplements, mushroom blends, and also typical supplements like magnesium and things like that. There's also hair vitamin, sleep gummy, and they also have lots of different accessories like phone cases, bags, socks, pet accessories, car accessories. You can really explore here and figure out what it is that you are excited to create. By the way, Printify is completely free to use and you only have to pay for each product that you order. So make sure you think through what exactly it is you want to sell. We just talked about Printify. That is where all your product gets made and ship out. But you still need an actual storefront where people can browse your item and check out. And that is where the second app, Shopify, comes in. So this right here is the Shopify dashboard. Once you create your account, this is the same screen you're going to land on. It's super beginner friendly. From here, you can add your products, connect apps like Printify for easy fulfillment, and even customize the entire look of your store. For example, if you click here to add a product, you can easily add your product image, title, description, And just like that, the product shows up in your store ready to sell. The best part, everything connects automatically. When a customer places an order, Shopify notify Printify, and Printify will handle the printing and the shipping and even updates the tracking for the customer. You don't have to do anything. So I have a complete step-by-step video course that you can follow. I will walk you through the entire process so you can just follow along and launch your store without slowing down. So we are going to be picking the right niche that work for you. We will set up your entire online store. We are going to be designing products together and going through all of the backend setting, like setting up payments to accept payment worldwide, even if you live in Africa. There is no more limitation with my method. And at the end of this program, we are also going to talk about different marketing strategy that you can use to drive traffic to your store and get customers. I'll leave the link to Freedom Print Academy below if you want to check it out. Now, the next important thing is getting sales. Should you run ads? Well, I don't recommend paid ads for beginners. I personally know people that have spent thousands of dollars on ads and didn't make a single sale. They just wasted their money. So I refuse for you to do that. I have never spent money on ads. I personally brought customers to my store because I mastered one single skill, and that skill was organic marketing, which means money that you make driving free social media traffic. Don't freak out, guys. When you hear social media marketing, you need to stop associating that with having millions of followers or having this big influence online. I started my own account from scratch. I also started completely faceless. I know other people that are starting from scratch in the recent times and they are blowing up overnight because of one single post. It's never been so easier to get yourself out there. Social media now is not what it was 10 years ago. You create content and I promise you, you have an equal chance to going viral with the right strategies and SEO that I also teach in my course for you guys, which is exactly how I started earning from home and started contributing to my home, right? Without any physical business, using just my laptop. And this entire business run in the background in an automated way. So if you want to get started with that step-by-step program, you should check out the Freedom Print Academy. I'll leave the link below this video. Wishing you guys the best with your online business journey. If you have any questions for me, feel free to drop them below this video and I'm going to do my best to help you out. And if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit that like button. It's going to be super appreciated. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.